All right, today, 4th of July, America Day. We'll make Lake Merwin again. But what's different is our friend John coming fishing with us, and I'm doing tugboat service. Let's see how we do.
Yeah.
So today we're fishing kokanee again. A little bit different. Made this kokanee bumper. Use nylon coated wire and some heat shrink and some crank bullshit. And they sell this online, kokanee bumper, but you can make your own, much cheaper. So you got a B chain right here, dual swivel, dual snap, I mean. Main line right here has a B chain and a dual lock. He shrink it up right here, 24 inches. Fish finder says there's a lot of fish, so let's see. Let's go get some. So let's see what we got. Nah, I think I lost it. It's kokanee. Oh, wait. That could be just... So we get the weight, we have to bring it in, unclip that, drop between your leg. I don't think I have anything on, but probably need to rebait.
Yeah, I see it now. Sorry.
No, that's fine.
It looked like it was bouncing.
I need to rebait anyway. Oh wait, there is a fish on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, see what I tell you? I'm the pike mineral slayer.
Maybe that could be a lot of what we were seeing.
See, I'm the pike mineral slayer. I should just give up fishing on kokanee, because I've been getting those a lot.
You need to do it when the tournament's on and they're paying you for each pike minnow.
It's on, but you have to do it in Colombia.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh well.
100.
No, another 70, so total to 100.
Total of 100.
Yeah, so... Action's good too, so if anything I'll just do 30 feet.
Get your right rod. I don't know what the speed is.
I got fish on. Oh,
Is that one 2 ounces too?
no, that's a 5 ounce.
Oh,
Think my GoPro's still running?
oh. I think I got a fish on.
Nice. Either fish on or snag.
I got a fish on. I can feel him.
Oh, I got a snag.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No. Oh, you got so much weight on, I bet.
Wait, no snag. Did I lose him?
I lost him.
Dang it.
He was on there for a few minutes.
I'm still reeling it in.
We're not moving, are we?
Not really.
We're going towards the shore.
I know. I lost it.
Ah. Oh.
Well, they both hits, but oh well. We know what to do now. Let's reset. Yep. Oh, fish on. See what we get. Feels like a kokanee. And my net's not ready, okay? This is the stupid part. My net's not ready. So I don't know how to bring this thing to the boat. John, I'm an idiot.
Well, I've got my net ready. Not that that helps you.
Still, I think still on. Oh, it's a good one. That's a good one.
Nice.
Come on. One more net. You will do your job. Don't, no, don't do this.
Oh, beautiful fish, buddy.
Oh my God, yes. Got it.
Yeah.
All right. Woo. All right, let's check this fish out.
See that jumper right there?
Oh yeah? Let's go. Wow.
Keep going. I'm all over the place. You're zigzagging left, right.
I know, I'm sorry.
It's all good.
So let's check this out. This is this hoochie, I actually tied it myself.
Nice.
Yeah, I used this hoochie from fishfield.com. So they have like all different type of color. So this one, it's like one of those multicolor.
Oh yeah.
So it has all the color in the world. Look at that, how beautiful it is. So that's a ticket. Yeah, I did.
You're good.
Okay, so let me fix the fuck up here.
Let's say, oh. Yeah.
You pay him to tell you?
Yeah, no. So,
No.
Mine came off. I think, do you got my Dodger too?
Yeah.
Okay, don't drop it. It's off now.
Oh, what do you mean?
Like, it's off. It broke.
It broke?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, good thing I have experience on the ocean fixing these.
All good, man. Up there. Gracias.
I mean, now's the time if you want to do a side-by-side.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Got your
It's up
pink
to
one?
you.
I mean, I'm okay for both. And I think I might have... No, that's not a fish. Oh, it is a fish! It is a
No
fish!
way.
No freaking way! It's a pike minnow, but still it's a fish. Like this guy was just hanging out there. What the hell's wrong with you?
Didn't even know you had them on there.
I know. I'm like, what is this? I'm like, I think there's a fish.
So
There's a
that was
fish.
the one that was tangled, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's probably how we got tangled. Because you had the fish on.
Yeah. That's funny.
That is funny.
Man, I should have recorded this, but I didn't. Oh wait. Let me try to fix my line, and you might actually have a fish on. You never know.
Keep going a little bit too. Don't stop it. I still got a fish, I think, too. I can feel it.
What about now? Do you still feel the fish?
No.
Because I was reeling in.
Oh, I bet you it's hitting you. Dang. Okay. We're gonna have to adjust something.
Yeah. Oh, I got a fish. I got a fish.
Oh yeah.
I actually got a fish.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Take care of your fish, buddy.
all right. Sorry about that.
All right.
You might actually got a fish too. Just keep pressure on it. Oh, 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 oh. Still fighting.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Big?
I see it. Way to go, buddy.
In the net. Whew.
Right, keep going.
Fish 2. Fish number 2. Dude, look at this. Beautiful kokanee salmon.
That's a nice Coke.
Yeah, oh, don't jump right now. All right, you're gonna be dinner. So after we tangle so much, we tie our boat right next to each other. So follow me for more stupid thing like these, okay? Let's go. This is so dumb, but amazing. So yeah, we're moving simultaneously. All right, so using this method work. So earlier, I was using 2 rods and got tangled. I still got a fish. So I got 3. Now John just got hooked up. So let's see how he does.
There's a lot of line out there. Oh man. Feels like a good fish too. Like bigger
Nice.
than some of the other ones I've caught. Maybe it's because I have more weight on it. Oh yeah.
He's on. Come on. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah.
We did it.
Yay. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Hell yeah, look at that.
All on the video
Beautiful.
too. So I've been tying my own lure. A lot of fish were caught today was on this thing. Fish Feel Micro Hoochie. So unfortunately I just lost one because I'm an idiot. Went to 10 feet, 30 feet, bam, snag. So I'm gonna make a new one real quick. You got another kokanee. You didn't even know it's on.
No, I had him on there.
Nice.
I had so much weight on it. That's probably why.
Yeah.
Damn.
Congrats.
So I thought I saw it go, and then it kind of.
We know what's the best color combination.
That is for sure. Yeah, I need to get some of these guys ordered. I'm gonna make a shit.
Carefully. Look at that.
Look at that guy.
Look at that guy, dude.
Beautiful Coke.
Yeah, that's like it's 3 year old, huh?
Yeah, we got
Well, I got year
he
3.
might be a 2.
Yeah.
2 to 3.
Sweet. We
Gotta
did
get a
good
picture
today.
of me with it. I have no pictures with any kokanee.
Okay, yeah, I got picture.